Jared unfolding the sulfur. There's a basket that's bent back there. We got the new one. He's gonna get that put on. Hopefully the volume works on this, or the sound, because
soybean market to me feels like this.
I did have some stuff on here last Friday I was doing, and you know, say my goodbye like always. But I don't know, audio didn't work. It'll do that sometimes. I think it's working. Hopefully it's working. I'm gonna go over to Indiana, which is where we store the white corn, where Fred and Kaylin's been hauling down the Aztec out of. There's a bin that needs some cleaning on it, so I'm gonna go do that. Made it. Got 2 bins of white corn. That one's beans. Other big one's yellow corn. White corn, white corn. This one's done pulling out the center holes, so we are going to open the side holes, then start to sweep around. I'm gonna shut the center one so we don't get too much on it. We're gonna crack the side one, which is sometimes easier said than done. Might have to get a pry bar. There we go. Go over here where we need to go. Been filling this hopper up with it. They'll be back. Hopefully it's got enough in there for them. Start the leg. Start this pit. And we'll start that auger. And we start the bin. Make sure our bypass sonic shuts off when it gets full. Belts are broke. Need to get some of these. Well, the good news was we had extra belts. The bad news was none was the right sizes. So I'm gonna head to town and get some. Hope I can get this going before they get back for another load. But I can pull out that other bin if they have to. It's just a little bit wetter, so that's why we've been pulling out of the one we've been pulling out of, while the fans keep running on the wetter bin. So go do that. Rolling in the Napa here in Vincennes. It's our go-to spot. It's like the township's doing a little ditching. Got the hurricane ditcher on with the arm there. Handy little thing. Got back with the belts. We're just gonna loosen this up here. This is how these tighten. This motor just hinges to make it tighter and looser. We're gonna bring it down, so get the new belts on, and then tighten her up. Not much to it, just need the parts and a crescent wrench. All right, belt's on, just gotta tighten it up. Hopefully there's nothing broken there, which is the reason why I did this. Sometimes they just get old and break. Hopefully that's it. All tightened up, about to get the lock nut down so don't back off. Still got quite a bit tighter than what it was, so hopefully it was just loose. Back over here. Hopefully it works lickety split. Well, it's spinning. That's good. Should have some white corn coming through here. And we do. All right. I'm gonna climb up top, see the center was actually running empty like I thought, or is just, you know, the belt's broke.
Well, busy in the office now. Our year ends and then in November, so you gotta get your tax planning done, all that stuff. Go ahead and get the boys all done and all the entities, so a lot of paperwork, and then get ready to start paying for prepaying chemicals and all that stuff, so.
Oh yeah, it was definitely empty in the center. All right, we'll wait till those side holes get empty. I'll start cleaning this bin out. In the bin now, do a little shoveling. So we get this sweep right here uncovered so it can go round and round. Got to where it gravitated out. Also like get where I get that second door open. Just about got enough room. And squeeze in. Kaylin's been here and gone, got a load since while I was in the bin. Ready to turn the sweep on, so we just gotta loosen the bolt here that keeps her tight, which, I'll be darned. Need a bolt there, came out. Start that sweep. Jam some concrete in there. Got to get that fixed. Could be no bueno. So we got the sweep going around there. Also gonna kick on the other bin, blend a little wet corn so it's just right. Not that wet. Like 16 and a half, 17. In the bin now, keeping up with the sweep. The shovel and a broom. Wear your mask, kids. Well, Fred's been here load since I've been in here. So hopper's full now. About maybe halfway around. This back's out so little, it comes over so much. I'm just gonna get that on the second pass. So hopper tank's 5,000 bushel, in case you're wondering. We also got a 10,000 one there too. It's also used to load the dryer, so you can't get it completely empty unless you run it through the legs. So we like using this one unless we are loading two things out. We'll also use that one. Right now it's just white corn. Starting December, we got other contracts. This is just only thing we're hauling for November because they wanted it. They usually don't want it this early, but they'll take it. We'll get rid of it. Nasty day today. David's running the Traco though, so that's good because we got a lot of mowing to do with that. We now have 4 trucks going. Jared and Eli's also driving, so I'm gonna get that bin cleaned out. Get that one lower. Kick everything on here. Climb up these stairs, pop the lid off so I can see, and then get this bin cleaned out. Shouldn't be a problem. Fred should get done hopefully this morning because Fred leaves super early. And Kaylin left pretty early too. So the other two are coming over. Get a lot of loads coming out fast. Short bin, short climb. I shut it yesterday with the rain coming. Didn't want rain in there all night, that's for sure. And I'll close it when I'm done. Well, just shut off. Boy, I about made it around, almost. Then I gotta do that second little pass. That doesn't amount to a lot, but yeah, they come back, we'll get the rest cleaned out. There was a good sized line at Azteca today, so I had enough time to run back home. I just unloaded 1 load of beans. Another one's here, he's around the corner about ready to back in. And he's gonna pick up a bunch of empty returns for wheat from Johnson's, which is just right on the bottom of the hill. And I just got a call from the 3rd truck that's coming in today. He's gonna be coming in about 12:30 or 1. I'll probably go clean out that bin and have somebody else unload it. So there's the next one. Pretty Kenworth. Made back over the bins. Looks like Eli's load. He's the 4th truck, so looks like they're all gonna make at least 2 loads today, even with the line. Now to get this bin empty finally. Well, not finally, it started on yesterday. All right, done with the sweep. Now I'm just gonna sweep her all the middle and auger her out of there when I'm ready. Well, that bin's empty. Just leaves that one bin of white corn left. That's a big one over here. It's 250,000. It's got yellow. 160 over there's got soybeans. And this is empty. This one's got more steps. I know you ain't gonna be able to see this. But about halfway down. 34,000 left or something. It's Wednesday, it's cooled off, it's windy. It's out and about. Thought I'd give you just a little look-see at our crimson clover. As you can see, it's got a pretty good stand. Spread it with a drone, 10 pounds per acre. Then we worked it in. There's sunspots like right along the edge. It's not a great stand, but overall pretty good. So we'll keep an eye on her, how she does throughout the year. But yeah, something different. There's where Dad lives, so definitely have a good eye on it. Well, back in Salford out now. I'm gonna wash it off a little bit this morning. Won't get too picky with it, but at least wash it out a little bit. Well, made it home. Got the dirt knocked off the Salford. Last video before, somebody's asking to see a tour of the shed, so I thought I'd do that. That's the house. That's the farm. Here's the chickens. Got a little thing that moves around. Get a few eggs here. 5 chickens, 5 eggs, we'll take that. It's gonna be a very quick walkthrough. The battery's about dead. But got some sky windows up in there. Got it all insulated. 2 garage doors. Got the volleyball net that goes across, attaches. Store a few things in here. Got a basketball goal for them. And got a batting cage that comes across there. And they got the ping pong table out here and treadmill. Trip was running on that when I got home today. So, afraid it's gonna die on me or I'd give you more effort. Oh, propane heat blows out there. Works pretty good. Keep it 60 degrees. Thanks for watching. See you next Sunday, because it's Thanksgiving weekend. All that stuff and basketball tournaments going on that we'll probably go to. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving. See you next Sunday.